Welcome to Bike Buzz. Today, we are diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Yamaha R15 V5. Yamaha has taken its entry-level supersport to the next level, refining performance, design, and technology. So, is this the best R15 yet? Let's find out. Design and aerodynamics. The R15 V5 gets a fresh design inspired by Yamaha's bigger supersport models. A more aggressive front fascia, updated LED headlamp, and aerodynamic winglets make it look even sharper. The fairing is redesigned for better wind resistance, giving riders improved stability at high speeds. Engine and performance. Under the fairings, the R15 V5 retains its 155 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine, but Yamaha has fine-tuned it for better power delivery and efficiency. Expect the same variable valve actuation (VVA) technology, ensuring strong low-end torque and high-end performance. Paired with a 6-speed gearbox and slipper clutch, this bike promises a smooth yet thrilling ride. Technology and features. Yamaha has loaded the R15 V5 with next-gen features. A fully digital instrument cluster now includes Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and ride analytics. Traction control and an improved quick shifter further enhance the riding experience, making it more premium than ever. Handling and ride quality. With a Delta box frame and an updated suspension setup, the R15 V5 offers precise handling. The USD forks and rear monoshock ensure excellent stability in corners. Yamaha has also refined the braking system, providing more confidence on the road and track. Pricing and conclusion. Yamaha is expected to price the R15 V5 slightly higher than the previous model, given its premium upgrades. But with its sharp design, advanced tech, and refined performance, it's still one of the best choices in the entry-level supersport segment. What do you think about the 2025 Yamaha R15 V5? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Buzz for more motorcycle updates.